childrens, open your book Sparkle, page number 33, lesson 1, describing words, that is adjectives. See here the pictures, okay? All the pictures are given here. First one is, this is a green tree. This is a green tree. And this is a chocolate cake. Here the girl is wearing a red frock. And elephant is a big animal. Next one is, there are yellow flowers in the pot. And next one is, there are fresh fruits in the shop. Last one, this is a tall tower. This is a tall tower. Here you can see all the words which are given in red color, like green, chocolate, red, big, yellow, fresh, tall. These are the describing word. These are describing words because they are describing all the things here. Let's learn the words which tell us something more about the persons, animal, birds, places, and the things are called describing words or adjectives. So here the examples are given. Green. Green describe the tree. Chocolate describe a type of cake. And fresh describe the quality of fruits. Red describe the color of frog. And big describe the size of elephant. Clear? So the words which tell something more about the person, animal, birds, places and the things are called describing words or adjectives. Let's understand. There are many type of describing words or adjectives. Read the words in a boxes below. Color words. Here blue, white, red and black. These are the describing words which describe the colors. Seeing words. Tidy, messy, lovely and bright. These are the seeing words. Seeing words means they are describing something. Okay. Next one is taste words. Bitter, sweet, sour and crunchy. So these are the describing words for taste. Next one is smelling words. Fresh, rotten, blunt and fruity. These are again the describing words for smelling. Okay. So all these are called adjective or describing words. Now let's do fill in the blanks using some of the words given in the box below. First one is, he is wearing dash shoes. He is wearing blue shoes. So blue is here describing to the shoes color. Many medicine taste bitter. Taste bitter. So bitter is a taste of the medicine. So bitter is a describing word or adjective. I love to eat dash chips. I love to eat crunchy chips. Okay. So crunchy is a describing words for chips. It is healthy to eat dash fruits. It is healthy to eat fresh fruits. So fresh is a describing words for fruits. It is a dash day. It is a bright You can write here bright day. Bright is describing word for a day. The dash vegetables are used as a manure. Which vegetable? Rotten. Rotten. Rotten means सड़ी हुई. Okay. So rotten. The rotten vegetables are used as a manure. Rotten is describing word or the adjective. Clear? Words that describe me. Paste your picture here. Okay, this is you. Write 5 sentences that describe you. Help words are given below. Lovely, gentle, kind, helpful, noisy, naughty, short, quiet, happy, reading, funny. Use all these words and describe yourself in a 5 sentence. One is given here. I am a quiet person. I am a quiet person. So here I am describing myself. I am a gentle and loving girl. I am short in height. I am helpful to all. I feel happy when I help others. I like reading books. Okay, so here I have uses describing words for me like gentle and loving, short, helpful, happy, help, reading. Okay, so these describing words I uses for myself. Next one is read the following story and underline the describing words or adjectives. Once there lived a blind man in a small town. He always carried a lighted lamp whenever he went out at night. So in this line, describing words are blind. Underline this one. Man is blind. So here it is describing the man as a blind. He always carried a lighted lamp. Lighted lamp. Which type of lamp? Lighted lamp. Whenever he went out at the night. Next line. One dark night, he was going with his lighted lamp in his hand. Some young men were passing by. So here the night is dark. Underline this one. One dark night, he was going with his lighted lamp in his hand. Some young men. Which type of men? Young men were passing by. They made fun of poor men. Which type of men? Poor men. They said, "Why do you carry a bright lamp? You are blind and cannot see." The polite blind man said, "This lamp is not for me, but for you people who have eyes. You may not see a blind man coming. You can push me." The young men were ashamed and said sorry to blind men. Okay, so here we have underline all the describing words like blind, lighted, dark, young, poor, bright and polite. Clear? Because all these describing words describing all the things here. That's why we have underlined these describing words. My pet dog, Sparks. Write 5 sentences describing your pet with the help of the words given in a box. Describing words are tall, small, brown, white with black spots, naughty, short tail, active and lazy. So here I have written some describing sentences for the pet. It is a small dog. It is a white in color with black spots. It is a naughty dog. It has a short tail. And last one is, it is not at all lazy but very active. So here I have uses some describing words like small, white in color with black spots, naughty, short, lazy and very active, describing words for my pet dog. Next one is, pick the describing words or adjective and naming words or noun in the following sentences. Here describing words are given and here you have to write the naming words, that is noun. Rohan is an honest boy. So here honest is a describing word and Rohan and boy both is naming words. Happy is describing word and children is a naming word. Pretty is a describing word and frock is a naming word. This is an empty box. So empty is a describing word and basket is a naming word. Mother is angry. So angry is a describing word and mother is a naming word. Clear? So the describing word or the adjective are the words that tells something about the person, birds or the things. Describing words that tells something more about the person, animal, birds or the things are called describing words or adjective. Understand everybody? Okay, thank you. Bye bye.